You've ever felt like your car is getting a bit sluggish? Maybe the fuel economy isn't what it used to be, or it's just running a little rough? You're not alone. Often we think it might be a major engine problem. But sometimes the culprit is a tiny, hard-working component that gets overlooked: the fuel injector. So, what exactly does a fuel injector do? Think of it as the heart of your engine's fuel system. Its job is to spray a very fine, precise mist of fuel into the engine's combustion chamber. This isn't just a simple squirt. It has to be a perfect cone-shaped pattern for the fuel to mix properly with air. When that mixture is just right, you get an efficient, powerful combustion. That means smooth performance and great gas mileage. But over time, things can go wrong. The fuel we put in our cars isn't perfectly pure, contains additives, and can pick up tiny contaminants. Plus, the engine environment itself is harsh. Intense heat and pressure can cause carbon deposits to build up on the tip of the injector. It's like a tiny bit of soot baking onto the nozzle. When these deposits accumulate, they start to mess with that perfect spray pattern. Instead of a fine mist, you might get drips, streams, or an uneven spray. This is a huge problem. If the fuel isn't atomized correctly, it doesn't burn completely. You end up with wasted fuel, which directly translates to worse gas mileage. You're literally paying for fuel that isn't helping your car move. This incomplete combustion also leads to a loss of power. Your car might feel hesitant when you accelerate, or it might struggle to get up hills. A rough idle is another classic symptom. When the engine is just ticking over, the uneven fuel delivery to different cylinders can make it shake and shudder. In worse cases, it can even lead to engine misfires, which will trigger that dreaded check engine light. Let's look at this visually. Here I have a set of injectors. This first one is brand new, perfectly clean. When we run it on our test bench, look at that beautiful, symmetrical, cone-shaped mist. It's exactly what you want to see. The fuel is perfectly atomized, ready to mix with air for an ideal burn. Now, let's look at this other injector. This one came out of a car with about 80,000 miles on it, and it has never been cleaned. Let's run it. See the difference? It's not a mist anymore. We're getting a couple of weak streams and some dripping, sputtering, and uneven. Imagine this happening inside your engine. Some parts of the cylinder are getting too much fuel, while others aren't getting enough. This is the root cause of all those problems we just talked about. So what's the solution? Professional fuel injector cleaning. A proper cleaning service doesn't just wipe the outside. They use specialized equipment with ultrasonic waves and powerful cleaning solutions to break down all those stubborn carbon deposits from the inside out. After the cleaning, they test it again to make sure that spray pattern is back to factory spec. Cleaning your fuel injectors is a fantastic piece of preventative maintenance. It can restore lost power, improve your fuel economy, and give you a smoother running engine. It's often one of the most cost-effective ways to bring your engine's performance back to life. So, if your car is feeling a bit tired, don't immediately assume the worst. It might just be telling you that its fuel injectors need a good cleaning. I hope this helps you understand just how important these little parts are for your engine's health. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.